Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the two CV axles on the Ford Focus Mk2. Next I'm going to remove the wheels, the two front wheels, also the nut for the ball joint, and remove the two drive shafts or CV axles. This is the long CV axle. The long CV axle is held here by two nuts that we need to remove. We start by removing the two front wheels. Next I'm going to remove the nut holding the ball joint, and also this bolt holding the CV axle to the wheel hub. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next I'm going to get my ball joint puller tool, and I'm going to pull it down until I hit the wheel hub, and now the ball joint is out. Next I'm going to remove this bolt for the CV axle. That's the bolt removed. Next I'm going to take the CV axle out of the wheel hub. I'm also going to remove the bolt, the nut holding the tie rod end, and take out the tie rod end. Now I'm going to turn the whole wheel to the side, and now I have more space to take out the CV axle. To take out the CV axle, I'm using a pry bar which I put in between the inner CV boot and the transmission, and I'm just trying to pry it out, and it will come out eventually. Here we can see it moved a little bit, so that means it's almost out. Now I'm going to take it out completely. Here we can see it came out. Now I'm going to take out the CV axle, and that's the CV axle out. Now I'm going to go on the other side and remove the other CV axle. I'm again going to remove the bolt holding the ball joint, the bolt holding the CV axle, and the nut holding the tie rod end. Now I'm going to take the CV axle out of the wheel hub and turn the whole wheel to the side. And next I'm gonna go at the middle of the CV axle and remove the two nuts holding it right there. Here is a closer view of the two nuts that I'm going to be removing. That's one, and there's the other one on top. To remove those nuts, I'm going to be using socket size 13. Now that the nuts are removed, I'm going to remove this metal plate, and then I'm going to get my pry bar and pry out the CV axle. You pry it out from there, that's where you put on your pry bar, and you pry it out from there until it comes out all the way. Here you can see it almost went out all the way, now it's out all the way. Now I'm going to take out the long CV axle. And that's the long CV axle out. Next I'm going to start putting the CV axles in. First I'm going to put in the short CV axle. You need to put it in its place and push it in all the way. If it doesn't want to go in all the way, maybe get a hammer and just hammer it in a little bit. In my case, I can see that the CV axle needs to go in a little bit more, so I'm going to hammer it 2 or 3 times, and you see how it will go in all the way. Yes, that's the CV axle in all the way now, so now I'm going to put it on the wheel hub and assemble everything. Now I'm going to put on the nut for the ball joint, and then I'm going to put a jack underneath to press on the ball joint so that I can tighten the nut. Next I'm going to put the bolt on for the CV axle and tighten it. Now I'm going to go on the other side and put on the long CV axle. I'm going to put it through the hole there and put it in its place and push it in all the way. Here's a better view of the CV axle going in all the way. Here in most cases you don't need to hammer it, it goes in very easily. Now I'm going to put this bracket on and the 2 nuts on and tighten them. And now I'm going to put the CV axle into the wheel hub and also the ball joint into its place and put on all the bolts and tighten them. I'm going to put the nut on the ball joint, and I'm again going to press with my jack. I'm going to press the ball joint so that I can tighten that nut, and then you assemble everything else in the reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.